welcome my channel CSC Questions. Today I am discuss about the topic matrix multiplications. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dani, lecturing mathematics. Okay. First of all, I am telling about the product of a row matrix and a column matrix. Firstly, I am telling this. All right. So A equals to suppose A1, A2 up to An. B is the matrix of B1, B2 up to Bn. Here I am try of order of both the matrices. Here A is the matrix of order 1 by n column. Here the order is n by 1 column. That means first of all in the matrix multiplications we check in the first matrix. Suppose A multiplied of B matrix, first matrix of element of row 1, 2 up to n. So B matrix of column here n, B1, B2 up to Bn. So multiplication is possible here now. AB is multiplied first element of matrix of A in the multiplied of first element of matrix of B. A1, B1 plus first row element of matrix A is the second element of in the column of matrix B. So A2, B2 plus up to and this moment An, Bn. In this way we have to find the matrix multiplication of a row matrix or a column matrix One row, one column. Okay, alright. For examples, suppose A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, B is a matrix 2, 1, 2, minus 1. Suppose here first we check about this factor matrix multiplication possible or not. Here matrix multiplication possible or not. We have to suppose find AB. That means A multiply of B. Alright. Now your answer is here. First we check given data. Given data here A equals to 1, 2, 3 in the right of this form and B is the matrix of 1, 2, minus 1 in the form. Alright. First we check the order of a matrix of A is 1 is to 3. 1 by 3. Of order of B is 3 by 1. So first we check A matrix elements 1, 2, 3. Then is the B matrix of column elements 1, 2, 3. Alright. So matrix multiplication is possible. Okay. So here A multiply of B. First row of first column, that means 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus of 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus of 3 into minus 1, 3 minus 1 is multiplied. Now adding this factor, all the values are 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 4 plus or minus 3. Value is 2. It is a 1 by 1 matrix. Because here 1 by 3, 3 by 1. The matrix multiplication is now given to you. Now again I have discussed about matrix multiplication of different or several matrices. Suppose that A is a matrix of order Aij is the element of m by n order. B is a matrix of Bij of n by p. Then the matrix multiplication C equals to A multiplied of P. A multiplied of P equals to your value is here now. First we have to check in the row elements of first m here n. Here column element is n, here row element is n. Here. So in this way, first Aij m by n in the multiplier of Bij multiplied n by n. Here first we check the value. Here column, here row is same or not. Here column or second row element same or not. Here same. So here answer is here C of Ij of n m by p your answer. Okay, this is the theory part. I am giving you examples, so solve this type of questions. Okay, all right. So here one example are there. If A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is a matrix of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 suppose. Then find A multiplied B. Possible or not? First we have to check answer. A is a matrix of 1, 2, 3, 4. Order is 2 by 2. B is a matrix of order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 by 3 matrix. So first of all we check first matrix of number of columns in the second matrix number of rows. Same or not? They are same. So matrix multiplication is possible. It is a way of general form. I will shortcut trick. First we will check the elements of row. First row of element in the matrix of A, 1, 2. Two elements are there. Then multiplied of P. That means in the column elements of second matrix 1, 4. Two elements are there. It is same. The matrix multiplication is possible. Alright, I am telling about again. फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का वैल्यू जो है वो दो एलिमेंट है. देखो 1, 2 two elements are there in the first row. Second matrix of column, first column का matrix का एलिमेंट सेम होना चाहिए, so that here 1, 4, 2 elements are there. So matrix multiplication is possible. It is a certain way. Okay. So now I am find A multiplied of B. Okay. 1 multiplied of 1. First of all 1. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. In this way I am going this way. 1 multiplied of 1 plus 2 multiplied of 4. First row, first column is completed. Secondly, first row, second column, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5. Okay. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6. First row is completed. 3 columns are there. Here 3 columns are there. Here 3 columns. Okay. Then second row, first column 2 into 1. First element 1. 4 into 4. Then 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5. Then 3 into 3 plus 4 into 6. 4 into 6. It is the value. So now here your answer is 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus of 8 value is 9. 2 plus of 10 value is 12. 3 plus of 12 value is 15. 2 plus value 16 is 18. 6 plus of 20 value is 26. 9 plus 24 value is 33. Here value is 2 row 3 column. 2 row and column. Here first 2 row 3 column. 3 column in the second elements, second matrix. First matrix of order is 2 by 2, so that here 2 row 3 columns. It is the matrix multiplication form. another node are there. I am telling about these questions. These questions, I A into B is found out, but here I make questions with examples. Note here, A multiplied of B may be possible, but BA may or may not be possible. Okay. So in this examples, I have an example given to you. If A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the value. First is the check. Find AB and BA. Find AB and BA. So the answer is now A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2 by 2 row. And B is the matrix of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 3. Sure, AB here possible or not? AB here possible or not? First we check 2 row, 2 column, 2 row, 3 column. Okay. I am telling you, in the circuit process, in the matrix of A, each 1, 2 elements are there. In the matrix of B, in the column of 2 elements are there. So matrix multiplication is possible. Okay. So here now find out AB equals to here 1 into 1 value is 1 into 1 value is 1. Okay. Plus 2 into value 8 value is 8. 2 into 4 value is 8. 1 into 2 value is 2. 2 into value 5 plus of 5 10. Okay. 1 into 3 value is 3. 2 into plus of 2 into 6 value is 12. Okay, alright. Now 3 into value 1 is 3 plus 4 into 4 value is 16. 3 into 2 value is 6. 4 into 5 value is 20. Alright. 3 into value is 3 is 9 plus 4 into value 6 is 24. And this. So here value is 9, 12, 15, 19, value is 26, the value is 33. Your matrix value is 2 by 3 columns. Alright. AB found, but BA found or not? BA may be found or not? BA. First we check B elements, B matrix, order is matrix of B, order is 2 by 3, so that 2 row 3 columns, 2 row 3 columns. Number of elements in the row 1, 1, 2, 3, multiplied of A is the order 2 by 2, their first row element is 1, 2, 2 elements are, B is not possible because it is not same in the elements of a first row and first column elements. यहाँ का जितना भी एलिमेंट होगा, अगर यहाँ पे 3 एलिमेंट्स है, यहाँ पे 2 एलिमेंट्स है इसका कलम का, तो मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो BA इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Okay. Thank you. Today I will discuss about the topic matrix multiplications. So, any problems, any doubt, give it to me and comments my channels and subscribe to me. Then I have tried to best of my knowledge that put up your all the problems or doubts to the next video. Okay, and thank you.